Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Cenovus Energy. This is ticker CVE. Obviously, oil and gas stocks have been moving around a lot because of what's going on in the Middle East. But if I look at something like USO, I look at this and I say, how the heck am I supposed to get into this? Because it is so wide and loose. Even on Monday, it had a big gap up, a wide-ranging bar, a gap up the next day, a fall back down the next day after that, and then a big gap up today. And so this is just all over the place, really wide and loose and really hard to trade. But if I look at Cenovus, I see a chart that's in an uptrend, above all the key moving averages, and really close to a pivot in and around 23.55. You can see how Cenovus hit against 23.55 on Monday, and when it did pull back, it wasn't wild and crazy like USO. It pulled back to the 8-day, buyers showed up, and now we're just underneath that 23.55 pivot again. And so I would look for a move through and a close above 23.55 to get into Cenovus. The nice thing about this stock, earnings are out of the way at least until the end of April. So if oil and gas continues to move around, Cenovus could be a good trade here. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.